Thank you for watching all the previous videos in our marketing series. Let's take another example of one of the most innovative brands in the world, Tesla. Let's dive in. In a SWOT analysis, Tesla's strengths include strong brand recognition, innovative technology, and a loyal customer base. Weaknesses include high production costs and supply chain challenges. Opportunities lie in expanding market presence internationally and increasing adoption of electric vehicles. Threats come from increased competition in the electric vehicle market and fluctuating raw material costs. Using the VRIO framework, Tesla's resources are valuable due to their innovative technology and strong brand. They are rare with their unique market positioning and brand loyalty. Their technology and manufacturing processes are inimitable, and they are organized with efficient production and a strong R&D team. In the BCG matrix, stars are products like the Model 3 and Model Y, cash cows include the Model S, question marks are the new Tesla Semi, and dogs, like the original Roadster, are no longer a focus. Tesla follows a differentiation strategy, offering unique, high-tech, environmentally friendly vehicles. For growth, Tesla uses the Ansoff matrix with market penetration by increasing sales of existing models, market development by entering new geographical markets, product development by launching new models like the Cybertruck, and diversification by expanding into energy products and services like solar panels and energy storage. Tesla's STP analysis involves segmentation of environmentally conscious tech enthusiasts and luxury car buyers, targeting middle to high-income individuals who value sustainability and innovation, and positioning as the leading brand in electric vehicles and sustainable energy solutions. In the 4C framework, Tesla's key focus is on customer needs for sustainable, high-tech vehicles, cost to satisfy which is high, but justified by innovation and performance, convenience to buy through online and showroom channels, and communication via strong digital marketing and high-profile events. Tesla's PESTLE analysis includes political aspects like government regulations and incentives for electric vehicles, economic factors such as fluctuating raw material prices, social trends towards sustainability, technological advancements in battery technology, legal considerations like vehicle safety laws, and environmental initiatives for reducing carbon footprints. With Porter's 5 forces, Tesla faces high competitive rivalry from traditional automakers and other electric vehicle manufacturers, low threat of new entrants due to high barriers, moderate bargaining power of suppliers, high bargaining power of buyers, and a moderate threat of substitutes with other sustainable transport options. In the product life cycle, Tesla's products like the Model 3 go from introduction with new launches, growth with increasing sales, maturity with stabilized demand, and decline as they are succeeded by newer models. And that's Tesla's marketing plan in a nutshell. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights.